course, it's time to go ahead and do our hair because I need to go and I can't go out with this ball cap on. I have another wig from Geeta Hair. I have reviewed for them before, so they sent me another wig. It came in its bag. Of course, the wig will be listed down below in the description bar. So right beneath this video is the description bar. Just click there if you want to purchase this wig. I thought this was really cute. They sent eyelashes and press-on nails. You guys know I rock press-on nails. I thought that was really cute and considerate of them. So they sent a razor comb, some flexi rods, and then an edge brush with a little rat tail thing on the end, which I've never got one of these before. I'm so excited to try it out. Oh, it matches my outfit. That was coincidental. Ooh. Oh, it sent me a melting band. Of course, their little booklet tells you how to take care of your wig and everything. What else is in here? Oh, and some wig caps. I didn't even know this was in here. 16 inches. I'm gonna put all the specs on the screen for you guys. And then I ordered, I believe it's 7x5 lace. You can order like a 13x6. You can order like the standard full ear-to-ear lace. I just don't like that because I always have a hard time getting it to stay here. So like I prefer like have my lace right about here. It gives me enough, and then if I need to, I can pull out my edges. It's like the perfect amount of lace for me. This is what she looks like. It's so pretty. It's like body weight. Oh, it's soft. Ooh, hey girl, hey. So she is bleached and plucked. Hopefully my camera is focusing on that for you guys. Is she cut too? Hopefully you guys can see it. So it's like the wavy lace, so you don't have to cut it if you don't want to. I'm gonna try it on and see what it looks like. So this is what the inside of the cap looks like. You see how much lace this is? This is what I'm talking about, where it's not ear to ear, but you're still gonna get a lot of lace. It's gonna be like covering all of this. So it's like the perfect amount of lace to me. But it has combs in there. It has the adjustable, ooh. So it has an adjustable strap with the wig grippers on there. So it ain't going nowhere. It has combs at the nape and adjustable straps at the nape as well. So I'm gonna put some foundation in her and we're gonna try her on. And before I do that, actually, because like I prefer to put 2 layers of my hairspray on. I'm just using this Got to Be Glued Glam Forest, or you can use the Got to Be Glued Blasting Free Spray. They both are amazing. My cap is a little bit too far on my head. I just spray some on and then use my finger to blend it out. Foundation. And we're just gonna put it inside of the lace. I'm gonna try to, it's always so hard to do this with one hand like this. Yeah, anyways, we're putting it inside the lace, making sure to get it all over the edge of the lace. You want the whole lace to be covered so that it blends in. You see how it's turning brown? Oh. Put some more hairspray on. I have to put it right here, see where I want it positioned at, and then sort of like do it like that, and then drop it into the hairspray. Look at that already, you guys. I'm not ready. Let me pull it down in the back. I just grabbed that elastic band first, the one with the grippers on there. And I'm gonna slide the combs in. The bands work great too, but I like combs because I don't want my wig falling off in the gym. I would just be so embarrassed. Well, please don't ever let that happen in the name of Jesus. I pray. Look at this wig! Oh, God. Melissa, calm down, girl. Don't be embarrassing yourself on camera, boo-boo. Okay. Girl. Now, I'm not a fan of the melting bands. I find that they give me like a cast, like a white cast. You still might get that a little bit, but I prefer to use a satin scarf. So I'm just going to pick that on, make sure my hairline is pushed back. Okay, let's see what the hair is working with and see if I need to add any curls to it. I'm going to add a little bit of curls right here. I actually want to cut this piece a little bit too. So I'm going to use the razor comb they sent me. I'm just going to do real small, nothing major. So this piece right here, I just want to cut that. So all I'm going to do, I want it to be like right here underneath my chin. I'm just going to take that piece and literally comb. That's it. So just that little bottom piece. And there's a little piece left. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, just this little piece right here. Now, all I'm gonna do is put just a couple of curls there, nothing major. So this is how she looks like right off the pat. I'm gonna curl it back. And keep it flat on the curling wand. Okay, we're gonna look and see what this lace is looking like. Oh yeah, that's nice. I want to put a little bit of powder in that parting space. So, but I just want to point out, please understand that I am under studio lights, so the lace is going to show a lot more than it would under natural light. But I have 3 giant lights in front of my face, so the lace is more noticeable on camera than it is actually in person. So I just want to put that out there. Don't freak out. I promise you, it looks really good in person. She definitely met and exceeded my expectations. It's gorgeous. The hair is buttery soft. The lace melted. I can melt it even further if I want to, or I can put baby hairs. I think today I'm gonna wear it without baby hairs because it just looks so freaking good. It does come pre-styled as you guys saw, but not like super curled. So if you do want more curls, you know, you can just do salon curls in like less than 5 minutes and you're good to go. But you see she got bounce. This is 16 inches. It goes all the way up to 32. It goes really long if you want a longer length wig, or it goes shorter if you want a shorter length wig. But this is 16 inches. The hair is just so soft, so pretty. I cannot wait to go out. But yeah, it's gorgeous. It's from Geeta Hair. You can just throw this wig on and go. You don't even have to melt it if you don't want to. Adjustable elastic band in the wig makes it so that you can wear it without gluing it down if you don't want to. As you guys saw, I just used some hairspray. So like, don't get like freaked out. Like, you don't have to do as much work as you used to do back in the day. Now, if you get ear to ear lace, it's going to be a little bit more work. But if you're like me, you don't want to do all that, get you a nice 7x5, you're good to go. I'm going to link this wig down below in the description bar. If I have a discount code, I'll put it down there as well. I don't have one at this moment, but if I do get one, it'll be listed down below in the description bar. If you don't see one there, that means I ain't got one. So, but if I do get one, it'll be down below in the description bar. But yeah, this is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So I love you guys so much. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I will catch you in the next video. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah. Bye, Bells.